So we're gonna add some garlic chives to this bed as well, because they're a great companion plant to help keep pests away. And they're also a great garlic substitute in tropical climates. We just separated these from a larger patch, and we're just gonna pop them into the ground along our garden bed here. It's nice to have companion plants because they help to deter pests. When you have really potent smelling herbs or other plants, it's really nice because they emit certain smells and other stuff that pests don't like to be around.